Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. And where are you from?
By the way, I am from Philippines. How old are you?
You get how old me?
I think you are. If I will, so if I guess it, then you give me some beans. What do you think?
You think?
So I think you are 32. You think?
Uh,
Am I right? 32.
yeah, yeah. Your memory is very sharp. Your memory is very sharp.
You're 30. So you're 32.
33.
32.
33. 33. How about you?
33.
Yes, yes.
33.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
How about you?
I can. I am 21.
You are 21. You are so younger than me.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. But it doesn't matches in your face. I think you are so younger. 18.
Yeah, exactly. I am young. I am 21, fresh from the farm, still a virgin.
Yeah. In which part in Philippines you live?
Here in Manila, Philippines.
Uh, Manila. Manila is your capital city?
Manila.
Yes.
Did you know Manila?
Uh, I know Manila. Manila is your capital city?
What?
Manila is your capital city? You don't know what I wanna say?
Sorry?
I say Manila is
Um,
your capital city.
Difficult to eat?
What is the name of your capital?
I can understand. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, you can speak.
Uh, what's your job?
Manila. Um, I don't have job right now. I just only Bigo.
You work
Yeah.
you work here. You are hosting.
Maybe I am using this Bigo, then I have a quota 6K, so that I want to achieve it.
Uh, that's so good.
Then if I will yeah, if I will achieve it, then I will have a quota or salary. Then I will get salary.
Uh, how much salary you get every month?
It's depend to the dollar.
Uh, it's
If I
depending.
have if I have $50, then it is equivalent of 2,500 here in the Philippines, right?
Uh, that's good. It your depend in your dollars. How much dollar you can earn, then you get your salary.
And, maybe I want to I want need $100 so that I will so that I can achieve my salary or I will achieve my quota or something like that.
Wow. That's so hard. Every month you can
Yeah.
do it.
Exactly. That's why I am here. Just lie because if I will have, if they have who support me, then I will achieve my quota.
I understand. Nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?